Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are doing something new with our long vowel silent E pattern. The directions say, unscramble the letters to make long I silent E words. Do you notice here how these letters are all out of order? And these as well. All of our words have been scrambled up and we need to be word detectives and put them in the correct order. Our first is a picture of a vine. V-I-N, vine. V-I-N. We have that silent E on the end. Long vowel, silent E. And you'll notice I like to cross off the letters as I go to make sure that I use all my letters in my word. The next picture is a picture of a girl showing us how wide something is. W-I-D. W-I-D. We have that silent E on the end. Our pattern is vowel, consonant, silent E. Then we have a picture of a pine cone. Pine. P-I-N. Pine. P-I-N. And don't forget that silent E on the end that makes the vowel say its name. Pine. We have a picture of a hive next. H-I-V. Hive. H-I-V. Silent E on the end. Hive. Then our next picture is 9. N-I-N. N-I-N. Silent E. Long vowel, silent E. 5 is our next picture. F-I-V. I-V. Silent E. 5. You did great. Our next directions say, write a sentence using some of the above words. Can you think of a sentence that has some of those words? If you can think of a sentence by yourself, please do that now. Otherwise, you may write the sentence I'm going to write. I am going to use the word 9 and hive. My sentence is, I see 9 bees on the hive. What do we need at the beginning of every sentence? That's right, a capital letter. I, finger space, N, finger space, E, 9, I, 9, finger space, bees, ease, on the hive, h, I, v, and a period to end my sentence. Way to go. Flip your paper over. Okay, boys and girls, we're doing some rhyming words. The directions say, read the word on each sign box. Write 2 words that rhyme with it. So our first sign box says the word rice. Can you think of a word that rhymes with rice? I can think of nice. Nice and rice both end with the same spelling and sound. Rice, nice. Another rhyming word is mice. Mice. And you'll notice that C is making the S sound. Let's go over to the next one. The word is hide. Hide and ride. Hide and ride. Rhyme. That long vowel, silent E. Can you think of another word that rhymes with hide and ride? Please write that word now. I thought of side. S-I-D. Side. The next word is bite. Bite and kite. Rhyme. K-I-T. Bite, kite. Long vowel, silent E. Another word is write. Bite, write. Like when you write with your pencil. It has a silent W. I-T. Write. Vowel, consonant, silent E follows the pattern. What about the word pine? Can you think of a word that rhymes with pine? Please do that one by yourself. I'll help you think of a few. Pine, line, mine, shine, fine. Please pause the video and write 2 words that rhyme with pine. The next word is hike. Hike and like. L-I-K. Like. Long vowel, silent E. Please think of another word that rhymes with hike. Let me give you a hint. It has 2 wheels. You always want to wear a helmet when you're riding it. Please pause the video and think of a word that rhymes with hike. Our last word is 5. 5. 5 and live rhyme. O-I-V. 5 live. Long vowel, silent E. I would like you to think of another word that rhymes with 5. I can think of 2, and they both start with the letter D that says duh. All right, do your best on that. Please put it in the top basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go.